In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Claude AI. Whether you're using Claude's web interface or mobile app, this process is straightforward and quick once you know where to look and click. Let's delve into it step by step. First, you need to open up or start a conversation within Claude's interface, either on the web platform or in the app version. This is essentially where all of your interactions with Claude will take place, so it's crucial to have this set up right from the get-go. Once you've initiated a chat, the next step is to locate the option for uploading or attaching a file. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. It's often just within reach. Typically, you'll find this option represented by a paperclip icon, a plus button, or a labeled Upload File button. You'll see these positioned near the message input box, where you usually type in your chat. After you've identified the upload section, it's time to select and upload the PDF you want Claude to analyze. Make sure the PDF file is saved directly on your device, and remember the size limitation. The file must be under 30 MB for Claude to successfully process it. Once you've chosen your file, go ahead and upload it. This action paves the way for Claude to access its contents, setting up the stage for further analysis. Now that your PDF is uploaded, you're ready for the fun part, prompting Claude to analyze it. This involves sending a command or request within the chat to guide Claude on what you need from the document. You could, for instance, type in something like, "Please summarize this PDF." This simple instruction directs Claude to give you a concise overview of the document. Alternatively, if the PDF contains important data within tables, you might want to say, "Extract all tables from this PDF and give me their contents." Such a prompt ensures that you get specific data extracted directly from the tables, which can be incredibly useful for detailed analysis. Furthermore, if there are specific elements within your PDF, such as a chart or a graph that you need to be explained, you just have to ask, for example, "Explain the chart on page 5. Claude will do its best to parse and interpret the document and deliver responses based not just on plain text, but also on visual elements if it has the capability to process these details. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate a PDF into your chat with Claude AI and leverage its capabilities to gain insights from the document. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. Happy uploading, and see you in the next video.